Hey there guys and gals, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video today. So I wanted to have some fun today and share the 12 top tools that I use on a consistent basis inside of Builderall to help me build my growing little digital empire online. Well, today we're going to do something a little different because the truth is I've been a Builderall user for over 3 years now. And I can honestly say that it has helped me grow my online business to levels I never dreamed of. So because of that, it inspired me to sit down and write out 12 amazing ways Builderall has helped me build my online business. Builderall has allowed me to create, manage, and automate everything in one place, so there is no more need to switch between tools or spend time learning new ones. So in today's video, I want to share with you the 12 amazing ways Builderall has helped me build my online business. But before we dive into it, in case you don't know, Builderall is a one-stop digital marketing platform that features well over 30 plus tools to grow a digital business. I know it's kind of crazy to think that one platform can offer that many tools, but trust me, after you see all the things you can do with Builderall, it will be hard to look anywhere else. Builderall's suite of tools has everything I need to grow my online presence and generate more leads for my company. So here are 12 different ways I've used Builderall to grow my digital brand. Number 1, my website. My website and my blog are all custom built on Builderall. As a matter of fact, I'm not using Wordpress to write my post. But don't worry, if you are a Wordpress fan, Builderall also offers 3-click WordPress installation and Builderall will host your site for you. Every digital entrepreneur needs a home online for their business. And in case you're wondering, no, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, etc. are not your home on the internet. These are simply social media platforms you can piggyback to drive traffic to your website, but you should never count on them 100%. From my website, I have full control over building my list, selling my digital products and courses, offering coaching, and also promoting various affiliate programs. My website is my home base on the internet. And if you're building a business, even if you're an affiliate or a network marketer, you should too. Normally, one would have to either build their website on WordPress or Wix or Squarespace, but as you continue to watch this video, you will soon discover why Builderall has been the best choice for me for the last 3 years and counting, and it might be the best solution for you too. Number 2, my blog. Again, I built my custom blog on Builderall. The Builderall blogging interface is very clean and straightforward, and I never have to worry about having to update to the latest version or that my blog will break if I upgrade to the latest release. I don't have to buy any extra plugins or any of that stuff if I don't want to, but like I mentioned before, I can still install WordPress if I choose to with Builderall's 3-click WordPress installation option. Number 3, membership site. Do you need to build a membership site for training or to offer your products? Yep, Builderall can do that too. I use the Builderall membership in a couple of different ways. Number 1, for my team training site. Number 2, to house my digital courses. And you can easily connect the members area to our super checkout, which I will talk more about in a minute, so that you can charge a one-time or monthly recurring fee for people to access your membership site. Number 4, lead generation sales funnels. I've sponsored over 552 plus clients into Builderall in the last 3 years. I've sold countless one-time offers and have never had to chase anyone, convince anyone, and never, ever, ever pick up the phone. I did it all using the power of automation through funnel systems, and I built it all on Builderall. And unlike other funnel building softwares out there that, they're definitely noteworthy and have benefits of their own, Builderall allows me to build unlimited funnels so that I don't have to worry about my bills increasing as my business grows. Or for someone new, this is extremely critical in the beginning phases of growth, as it can take some time to build a winning funnel that actually converts. Builderall relieves the pressure of worrying about how you are going to pay that bill at the end of the month, so you can focus on creating your offers. This is one of the features I love most about Builderall as a marketer who is introverted and shies away from a more direct sales approach or slipping into people's DMs trying to sell my stuff. Funnels help me not do this, and thanks to Builderall, I have zero limits on how many funnels I can build. I can even share funnels with my team with a simple share link. Can't get better than that. Number 5, e-learning courses. You can choose to build your training course using the membership area, or you can use the e-learning platform. Personally, I like to merge both, Builderall literally allows you to do virtually anything you can dream of, including embedding an e-learning course into a membership area. Super cool, right? Oh, and did I mention you don't need to know any CSS or any type of special coding? And you don't have to spend an additional $100 a month hosting your courses on other platforms. You can host your training content on Builderall and also keep the look of your branding by customizing it however you like. Number 6, build my email list with unlimited subscribers. If you've been studying marketing for any period of time, you've probably heard that the money is in the list. Your email list is the most important asset you own in your business. And in many cases, with the proper nurturing and follow-up, it's your path to creating a flurry of sales or signups with just one single broadcast. With Builderall, you have unlimited subscribers on both the premium and the funnel club plans. Number 7, super checkout. One thing is to experience the fun of earning affiliate commissions by aligning with a company you love. But there is nothing like seeing payments come in for products you sell on your own. The Builderall Super Checkout is so simple to use and allows you to collect both one-time payment and recurring payments through the sale of your own products, courses, membership sites, etc. Number 8, social proof pop-ups. The social proof pop-up tool is a great way for marketers to increase their sales conversions by showing social proof on your website from other customers before they make a purchasing decision. With the Builderall Social Proof tool, you can increase conversions to lead capture pages, and now you can add our social proof pop-up to your checkout pages to encourage those on-the-fence buyers to take action and make a buying decision. Number 9, promotional square videos. The promotional square video is one of my favorite ways to use Builderall when it comes to driving free, quality, organic traffic to my offers. I simply create a square video using our video wrapper tool, now included with our video hosting. And as someone who loves video but hates prospecting, it's a fun, quick way to grab attention on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube and drive a flurry of targeted traffic to your website, lead capture pages, blog, and more. Number 10, digital course covers and product mockups. It's incredible to see as I go through this list just how many Builderall tools have helped support the growth of my brand. And I haven't even told you what I pay for it monthly, so make sure to stay to the end of the video. The value that Builderall has brought to my business and my life cannot be expressed in dollars. It's truly been a blessing to be able to not have to invest in multiple tools or learn new ones constantly, because everything I need to build a digital business is at my fingertips with Builderall. And yes, including product covers. I simply design the covers in Canva.com, and then I import them into the Builderall mockup tool where I create the 3D product images I will then use on my lead magnets and sales pages. Thank you, Builderall. And I'm not even done with my list yet. Number 11, video intros. Also located inside of the mockup tools are video intros. There are several video intros to choose from for your digital products or promotions. I remember it was just a few months back, I was filming the video lessons for my course, The Rise Authority Website Blueprint. And I wanted to create a quick video intro and outro just to create a more stylized bookend or bumper to my instructional video. Then it occurred to me, duh, Builderall to the rescue. I whipped up a quick logo in Canva.com, imported it into the mockup studio, picked a cool video intro, then I rendered it, imported it into iMovie, added some music, rendered it again, and voila, video intro in less than 15 minutes. And that includes creating the logo. Normally, I'd have to spend a few hours researching on Fiverr to get someone to do a video intro, read through reviews, wait for someone to respond to me to see if they could do the job, yada, yada, yada. And again, Builderall's tools were there to help me out of a jam. And now it's my go-to tool for creating mini intros for my course lessons. And finally, number 12, book coaching clients and appointments. Just when you thought it wasn't possible that Builderall could provide yet another value-packed tool, they do it yet again with the booking calendar. Once the Builderall booking calendar was launched, I let my Calendly subscription run out. One less yearly bill I had to pay. Thank you again, Builderall. I've been able to use the booking calendar to book coaching clients and meetings, and I can send someone a link and connect it to the Builderall Super Checkout to get paid. Or I can simply embed it into a coaching application page on any of the websites I build with Builderall's signature builder, Cheetah. Now, those are just the main tools that I use most often on a frequent basis inside of Builderall, but there are so many others, including messenger chatbots, heat map tools, CRM tool, e-commerce, 3-click WordPress installer, webinar builder, browser notifications, SMS messaging, copywriting scripts generator, and you also get professional email, an SSL lock with every domain and subdomain you connect. You also get access to our incredible magazine builder, green screen floating videos, photo editor, video hosting, and so much more. And now we get to what we actually pay for it on the premium plan. And all of this is just $69.90 per month as of the date of this video. And we haven't even scratched the surface of what is on the Funnel Club plan, like all of our done-for-you items, like done-for-you funnels, done-for-you funnel blueprints, done-for-you chatbot flows, done-for-you niche funnels, done-for-you agency funnels, done-for-you lead capture funnels. And if you love helping people get their businesses launched online or help them create a growing passive income, as a Builderall affiliate, you can earn 100% commissions on your first sale. And if you sign up a client on the Funnel Club plan, that is a $199 commission for you, plus 30% residual monthly when your client is rebilled at $99 per month. Plus, we're a 2-tier program, which means you also earn an additional 30% off your second tier. So not only is Builderall an amazing tool that you can use to build your business, but it's a great way to also create that passive residual growing income you've always dreamed of. So if you like what you've seen inside of this video and you want to sign up for Builderall on the premium plan, you're also going to get some awesome bonuses when you partner with my team and you sign up with my link. You'll get 7 additional Builderall sign-up bonuses just for signing up on the premium plan for just $69.90 a month. And one of those bonuses is my brand new Rise Sponsoring Academy, where I take you through the process of sponsoring your first reps inside of Builderall, or your network marketing opportunity, or your 2-tier affiliate program, whatever it is that you are using Builderall to do. Now I'm gonna sweeten the pot even more, and if you come in at the Funnel Club plan, I've got an extra juicy bonus just for you. If you are tired of chasing prospects and feeling like a pushy salesperson online and you want to create instant authority, make more sales, and build a brand people know, like, and trust online, and you come in at the Funnel Club, you are going to get a copy of my course, the Rise Authority Website Blueprint, where you will be able to download your very own attraction marketer website that has already been built for you and already has everything you need on that template to position yourself as the leader that people want to join. You can select from 4 different templates that I have for you, and this value alone is well over $1,500. But if you come in at the Funnel Club for $199, you'll also get this on top of the premium plan bonus. You'll also get this exclusive bonus so you can get your attraction marketing website off the ground and running and position yourself, again, like I said, as the leader that people want to join. All right, guys and gals, well, I hope that you enjoyed watching this video as much as I had fun making this video. If you want to learn more about Builderall or working with me or any of this digital online marketing stuff, make sure to visit my website over at www.risemarketinganddesign.com. Click on the links, check things out, and if there's anything that I can do for you, make sure to send me a message by clicking on the Contact Me page on my website. So thank you so much for watching, guys and gals. Also, make sure that if you like this video, to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching the 12 amazing ways that Builderall has helped me build my business online. This has been Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on another video. Bye!